Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of affiliate marketing and how artificial intelligence is shaking things up in the most creative ways. Now, you might be wondering, can a robot really help me sell more socks online? Well, stick around because we're about to explore just that. Understanding AI in marketing. Let's break down what artificial intelligence, or AI, really is. At its core, AI refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding language, recognizing patterns, and even making decisions. In the realm of affiliate marketing, AI can be a game changer, especially when it comes to creating compelling marketing content. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can churn out engaging blog posts, catchy social media captions, or even video scripts in a fraction of the time it would take you. That's the magic of AI. By analyzing data and trends, these tools can help you craft content that resonates with your audience, making your marketing efforts more effective. For instance, think about how Netflix uses AI to recommend shows based on your viewing habits. Similarly, AI can analyze customer behavior to suggest products that your audience is likely to buy, enhancing your affiliate marketing strategy. With AI on your side, you can save time, boost creativity, and ultimately drive more sales. So, let's dive deeper into how you can leverage these tools for your affiliate marketing success. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting an online course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel, like I am doing right now. There is a free webinar that goes into greater detail about this course. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. Now let's continue the trick, my approach. First things first, you can't just waltz in and demand a masterpiece. No, you've got to charm the digital socks off that AI. Think of it as a first date. Set the mood right. Step 1. Be specific. Instead of saying, "Write me something," try, "Craft a witty script about how AI can help affiliate marketers sell more socks." See the difference? It's like asking for a romantic dinner instead of a mystery meat surprise. Step 2. Use examples. AI loves a good reference. Toss in a few relatable scenarios, like how your cat's Instagram account could use some AI magic to go viral. Finally, don't be afraid to play around. Experiment with different prompts and styles. Think outside the box, maybe even outside the galaxy. The more creative you get, the more fun and engaging your content will be. So go ahead and give it a whirl. Who knows? You might just end up with a script that's pure gold. The perfect script, what it looks like. Now, let's unveil the masterpiece that our AI buddy whipped up for us. Picture this. A lively introduction that grabs attention, followed by relatable anecdotes that resonate with our audience. Here's a sneak peek of the script. Hey there, sock enthusiasts! Are you tired of boring plain socks? Well, get ready to step up your sock game. Our latest collection features funky patterns and vibrant colors that will make your feet the talk of the town. Plus, for a limited time, you can snag a 20% discount using the code SOCKS20 at checkout. Don't miss out. Your feet deserve the best. What makes this script shine? It's engaging, concise, and packed with a clear call to action. It aligns perfectly with effective marketing strategies by addressing the audience's needs and creating a sense of urgency. Now I invite you to analyze this script. Think about how it could impact your sales. Could it spark interest? Drive traffic to your site? With a little creativity and the right tools, you can create scripts that not only entertain, but also convert viewers into loyal customers. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 145 to choose from.